Hello and salam sejahtera, Dr. Hafiz. Today, me and my fellow group mates Nelcoleon, Azmatun, Nur'Aisyah, and Ronan are going to present our group project assignment on AMD Ryzen 5 PC. So these are the table of contents. First, we have acknowledgement 1.0 introduction, 2.0 computer specification, 1 motherboard, 2 processor, system memory, graphic computer case, 3 hardware, 4 software, 5 input device, 6 output devices. We have for the 3 pricing consideration, 4 conclusion, 5 reference, and 6 appendix. So these are the acknowledgement. We are highly indebted to our lecturer, Dr. Rafiz, for his guidance as well as for providing us necessary information regarding this project, and also for the support in completing this assignment. We would like to express our gratitude towards our friends and classmates for their honest feedbacks and encouragement which helped us in completion of this project. So for the introduction, Nawal has problem to choose one computer PC that she can use in her daily days as a student. She also needs a huge amount of storage, RAM, and processor because she wants to have a perfect PC computer for gaming and for her studies. Therefore, she also needs a PC cooler to make longer because it can maintain the temperature while she is doing her work while using Microsoft Words, Excel, PowerPoint, and using her programming software. To make a PC that perfect for gaming, she needs high definition of graphic card that affordable because she is a student. She also wants to use the PC to watch a movie through DVD or the CDs player and have a good sound system. Therefore, my group has discussed about the Nawal, which is AMD Ryzen 5 PC. This is because all components of the PC are affordable for students like her.
So next is computer specifications. The component of AMD Ryzen 5 is first is motherboard. And for motherboard, the PC component will use A320M A Pro Max. This is because it can help to give a great performance for the PC while doing her assignment, watching movies, playing video games, because it also gives nice sound of audio to people. Next is computer case. For the computer case, Antex Eto Pro M RGB TG mid-tower cases is of the perfect computer case because Noel one DVD and CD slot for her computer. Other than that, design is simple and elegant for a student to use. The height of this computer case is 18.9 inches, meanwhile the width is 20.1 inches, and the length of the computer case is 9.25 inches. These are the suggestions that we recommend for Noel to build a PC setup and the detail that she should take note. Next is the hardware. Processor MSI GeForce GTX 10550 Super 4G DDR6 ZS XS. For the processor, we suggest MSI GeForce because it is the perfect processor for building this PC setup because it contains many things. Other than that is system memory, team group dark L5 Lite 7 2.5 SATA 3 SSD 120 GB, 240 GB, and 480 GB and 960 GB. Detail about this product is L5 Lite model, SATA RIF 3.0 6 GB, Interface backward compatible with SATA Rev 2.0, 1.0 GB, 240 GB, and 840 GB of storage. D5 DC5G Voltan operation temperature range from 0 Celsius to 70 Celsius. Terabyte 130 GB, 50 TBW to 400 GB, 30 TBW, 480 GB, and 60 TBW. Atto Crystal Disk Performance 120 GB Mark with speed of up to 500 MBs are possible. Write speed of 300 MB, 2400 GB are possible. With speed of up to 530 MB are possible. Write speed range from 400 to 480 GB. Maximum read speed is 530 MBs. Maximum write speed is 420 MB.
So this is the graphic card, which is the AMD Ryzen with Radeon Vega graphics and evolution of Ryzen. The new Ryzen processor with Radeon graphic improved on previous generation by providing higher base and boost frequencies, improved memories and cache latencies, and faster memory support over the previous generations. There are also onboard advancements such as Precision Boost 2 for an improved multi-core boost. Next is the hard disk, which is the 500 GB, 1 terabyte, or 2 terabyte desktop PC for size use. Details about the products are desktop PC, size disk, hard disk 1 terabyte to 2 terabyte. Max brand is well-known name in the and cable SATA for free. Next is the DVD-ROM, which is the Asus BW16D 1HD internal SATA DVD writer. The Asus is a powerful and energy-efficient Blu-ray writer that can write in a 16x BD format. It is the MDisk compatibility allow users to keep irreplaceable image or papers for over 1,000 years. With BDXL support, users may store up to 128 GB of data on a single disk, suitable for anyone looking for complete data storage and backup solution. And next is the cooler processor, which is the Asus Dual GeForce RTX TM360 Titan OC Edition 8 GB GDDR6 for AAA gaming performance and ray tracing. Asus Dual GeForce uh, with two powerful axial fans, Ampere streaming multiprocessors from NVIDIA. The all-new Ampere SM provide two times the FP32 throughout to enhance the power of the efficiency to the world's fastest, most efficient GPUs. RT cores of the second generation, 2 times 2x the throughput of the previous generation of RT cores, with the concurrent ray tracing and shading for a whole new level of ray tracing speed.
So next for the software part, called Microsoft Windows Home 10 64-bit ENG Intel 1 PK. Detail about the product is update pack for Windows 10 Edition Home are included in the operating system. Option for installation only 64 byte. Language DVD disk installation media. Number of listens in English. One product activation is required for this product. A processor with a clock speed of 1 GHz or higher is required. For 32-bit byte, 1 GB RAM is required. For 64 byte, 2 GB is required. Hard disk space of 2 of Up to 20 GB is available. The minimum screen resolution that can be used is 800 times 600 pixel or higher. WDDM Bravo for DirectX 9 graphic processor. So for the input devices, which is keyboard from the input device is the Logitech G512. This keyboard is essentially perfect for gaming and study use on the computer. While the keyboard has all numeric and function keys, it also has the RGB lighting on every keys to make more attractive, and it has mechanical switches to help improve the performance for the keyboard. Next is mouse. As for the mouse, the Logitech G102 is perfect because it has the simple shape and look for studying and gaming session at the same time. The mouse has 6 button design, gets you right into the game and can be programmed to simplify tasks. For the output devices, which is monitor, the Acer SB2209 AZ220Q is a great choice since it has a reasonable price and also has some great feature which will suit for those who want to use it for studying and gaming, such as full HD, -1 ms response time, and 75 Hz refresh rate, which means that it will run smooth. So for the headphone, the Armageddon Atom 7 is good because it has good sound produce quality and very comfortable because it doesn't hurt the head when using it. The headphone also included microphones which will be very useful for gaming and studying. The headphone has 3.5 mm connector and USB, which it will fit perfectly to the PC. For the speaker, the Logitech Z120 is the speaker which is the perfect addition to the PC as it helps and improve the look and the function of the PC during gaming or studying. The speaker are using USB powered and has 3.5 mm to connect to the sound port to help produce great sounds. Other than that, it also has the cable management which able to adjust the length of the speaker wire.
So next, it will be the pricing of the name of the component or hardware. So first is AMD Ryzen 5. It costs 1,239 and 80 cents. It 3220M Pro Max costs 265 ringgit Malaysia, and Pentax Eto Pro MRGB TG, it costs around 800 until 900 ringgit Malaysia. MSI GeForce GTX 1055 Super for GDDR6 Ventus XS costs 820. Team Group Dark L5 Lite 7 2.5 SATA 3 SSD costs 50 or around 100. AMD Ryzen with Radeon Vega graphic costs around 300 until 400. Hard disk 500 GB, 1 TB or 2 TB desktop. PC 3.5 size use costs around 50 ringgit until 180. Asus PEW 100 DB1 HD internal SATA DVD writer costs around 360 and maybe 370. Asus Dual GeForce RTX TM 360 OC edition 8 GB GDDR6 cost around 400 until 700. ViewSonic VA24 SH24 monitor costs 830 ringgit Malaysia. Pentax X5 sells 400 480. DPI 7 Macro Programmable Button USB Optical Macro Programming Mouse with running RGB Chroma lights costs around 50 until 70 ringgit Malaysia. ClipTech RGK 815 Lecturer 87 USB Professional Mechanical Keyboard Blue Switch costs around 130. And lastly, Microsoft Windows Home 10 64-bit ENG Intel 1PK costs around 500 until 700 ringgit Malaysia. The Logitech 6512 costs around 4000. Logitech G102 costs around 9000. Asus SB220Q costs around 460. Armana Jordan 857 costs around 80 ringgit Malaysia. And Logitech Z120 costs around 46 ringgit Malaysia. So this is the reference that our group used for this second for PC setup. And this is the appendix for this PC setup. So that's all from us. Thank you.